Wouldn't it be nice to be able to add captions to your iMovie tutorial or your interview videos? And you may not be able to produce captions directly in iMovie, but with the simple use of another application called CapCut, you can create captions for free and have them in iMovie in no time flat, from exporting out of iMovie, creating the captions in CapCut, and adding the captions back to iMovie. And CapCut is free and is available on the Mac App Store, and the link's in the description below. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell. This is the tutorial in iMovie. Sport Auto Mode. If you don't use a paddle, it'll just shift for you, and you can quickly export the clip using Export File. Open CapCut and select New Project. Drag the clip that you've exported out of iMovie into the CapCut timeline. And really, sport should be considered as a sport. Select text in the top left of CapCut. Select Auto Captions. Select the language you want, and then create. And this is in real time now. And really, sport should be considered as a sport auto mode. You can see the individual captions and zoom into them with the same command as in iMovie, Command Plus. You can select from a multitude of optional caption text by clicking in the Captions button. And it's a good idea to use an option with a background or bold text, because it needs to be seen clearly over the body of the talking head in your video. You'll see a bit more about that when we put it back into iMovie. And I've used Brown Fox option. Make sure you select Apply to All, so that all the separate caption boxes are changed in the timeline. And even though the transcription by CapCut is very good, you'll find there are words that have come out incorrectly. In this example, my pronunciation of paddle has been transcribed as pedal. To change that spelling, select the Captions button at the top and a list of the caption boxes show. You can change the words, delete them, or add more. Next, select the video clip and press the V key to hide the video. Press the Export button at the top right. Rename the file and export. And this is the export in real time. Now, reselect iMovie from the dock. Drag the CapCut exported file on top of the iMovie clip in the timeline. You can see the captions, but not the video. And really, sport should be considered as a sport auto mode. But that's very simply fixed by selecting the overlay option at the top right of iMovie. Reduce the opacity of the overlay until you can see both the video and the captions. And then you can brighten the video with the color options until you get a better balance for both. Now, isn't that quick and simple, even though you needed to use a separate application? And don't feel that iMovie is the poorer cousin to Final Cut Pro. If you wanted to add captions in Final Cut Pro, you either need to buy a caption plugin or use CapCut in the same way as you've done with iMovie. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell. Thanks for watching.